Hey guys, Tech Money Pro here. Realme U1 teased with most powerful selfie camera ever. Realme and Amazon India have teased the Realme U1, a selfie-focused smartphone. Oppo sub-brand claims the new phone will always have the most powerful selfie camera ever. The device will have a Helio P70 chipset and water drop notch, according to the teaser. The Realme series might be the breakout brand of the year, delivering a family of affordable phones. We have seen quite a few entries this year already, but it looks like the Oppo sub-brand isn't done just yet. The Realme Twitter account, in conjunction with Amazon India, has teased the arrival of the Realme U1, and Realme says the new phone will be the first device with the MediaTek's Helio P70 chipset. MediaTek's latest process is essential, a minor upgrade over the Helio P60, featuring slight higher CPU and GPU clock speed. For one, nevertheless, the Helio P60 was a pretty capable mid-range chipset that offered AI silicon too. So an incremental improvement isn't a bad thing. The Realme U1 teaser also reveals the phone will have a water drop notch, which will pay the host to the most powerful selfie camera ever. Does this mean it will be the highest resolution selfie camera, or that it will simply take the best selfies? I'm leaning towards the former, as Realme parent company Oppo has been touting as 25 megapixel AI powered selfie camera this year. Hopefully Realme puts the megapixel to good use if indeed takes this route. We don't know much else about the new smartphone, but if it's like previous Realme device, we had to expect a few comparisons of some kind. After all, the Realme 1 offered powerful internal and Full HD screen, but lacked a fingerprint scanner. The Realme 2, on the other hand, delivered a fingerprint scanner but served up as 720p display and weaker Snapdragon 450 chipset. We won't have to wait too long for a full reveal, as Realme will host a November 28th launch event in India at 12:30 pm. What would you like to see from the Realme U1? Give us your thoughts in the comment section.